Hey guys, so today I'm doing this no foundation orangey summer makeup tutorial, but first let's start with the sunscreen. Currently I'm using the Lotus Organics Plus Hydrating Gel Mineral Sunscreen. This is SPF 30 PA+++ and has broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection. It is a 100% mineral sunscreen. That is, it has no chemical filters and has zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, so it is perfect for sensitive skin. It is preservatives and artificial fragrance free. The only fragrance in it is from organic Firangipani extracts and it smells amazing. Very lightweight as it is a gel formula and water based and blends in a jiffy. I was surprised to see negligible white cast, as most physical, that is zinc and titanium dioxide sunscreens, leave a heavy white cast. Also, it mattifies within a few seconds, so it is perfect for oily combination skin as well. Also, don't forget the 2-finger rule. Don't forget your neck, eyelids, eyes, and yes, you need enough sunscreen to cover everything. This product is 99% natural. Here is the screenshot from NCD coder of the ingredients. There are no irritants or nasties in here. Also, there's a 10% coupon code which you can use on their website, which I have left in the info box below and also in the text box here. If you have sensitive skin or only prefer physical sunscreens, definitely recommend checking this out. And yes, let's get started with the look. I'm using a pore filling primer here, using it on all my problem areas, that is my T-zone especially. And next I will be using a color corrector, an Apricot color corrector for my problem areas. I have 1-2 acne marks and my dark circles and the areas around my mouth which have a little bit of pigmentation, and blending it all. I'll be linking all the products in the info box below. And next I'm using a concealer, again in the center zone, like all of my problem areas and the acne scars, and blending it all in. Also make sure you dab when you use a concealer brush and not swipe it, because swiping will take off the product. So dab dab dab. And after the concealer, immediately set it with a powder. Don't wait, because the more you wait, the concealer will settle in your creases, and after that the powder will settle the concealer inside your creases. So immediately apply a powder once you have applied the concealer. Using a contour here to bring some warmth and definition to the face, and also on the sides of my nose, mostly on the jawline. Using this super pretty peachy blush. I'm using lots of blush because on camera it doesn't show as much, and yes, I love a good blush, and summer is all about a peachy blush. Filling in my eyebrows and then buffing them all in with a brush. I'm using these two matte shades, the peachy brown shade in the crease for defining the crease, and then the matte darker brown for the outer corners, smoking in the outer corners and the outer V. And yes, also don't forget your lower lash line. And next I'll be taking this shimmery this metallic shimmery orange. Now this metallic shimmery shades work best with fingers, so that is what I'm doing here. So basically I just used one brush for the eyeshadow look, and I'll be linking all the brushes as well in the info box below. Then I'm taking this golden, metallic golden color and using it in my inner corners, and also using it a little bit on my high points. I was obsessed with highlighters at one point, but I have stopped using highlighters completely, so I just use like whatever shadow I'm using for some definition on few days when I want to add a little bit of glow, because otherwise cream blushes do the trick. And next I'm using an orange eyeliner in my waterline and using a glow mist to add some glow to the face and take away the powderiness, curling the lashes, and using lots and lots of mascara. And finally for my lips, defining the cupid's bow and the lower lip, I'm using an orangey lip liner, and also using a coral orange glossy lip stain. So it is a little bit sheer on its own, so I used a lip liner as well. And yes guys, that's about it. That's the complete look. I hope you liked the look. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I have linked everything in the info box below, so do check it out. And yes, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.